Hi everyone, my name is Yoga from Momofin, and let's start with a quick guessing game. So which one do you think is the real receipt? Well, none of them are real, all generated by AI. And to make things worse, you can use AI to even swap photos. So I use my real ID, that's why I censor the number. But I use it to pass KYC system, and yes, they pass it. And the worst thing, most systems, they're probably not gonna notice that there's a fake swap photos IDs involved. With the AI, the threat is getting higher, especially for document fraud. For the last 2 years, 78% of enterprises, they have fall to document fraud, and it cost them 5% of their annual revenue. So if you're a 50 million company, 2.5 million basically just lost because of the document fraud. The existing solutions, well, they're good at reading content, they're good at matching with the original, but once the original remove, they cannot do anything. They cannot detect swapping, they cannot detect tampering, they get lost. So that's where we comes in. At Momofin, we're building the firewall for documents. We're building the first layer of protection for documents for your enterprises. So what we do, we build a system where it can detect all the documents fraud that people will do, like a bouncer in the club, so before they enter the workflow. We will spot from multiple data points, and then we will flag which part has been has been tampered. We're not building just the features. We're building the new standard security for the digital document. The good thing using Vision AI, we're using a Vision AI to detect all of those, and the good thing about our Vision AI, it's universally compatible. It can be used in any kind of documents, any kind of format, in any kind of language. And our engine that we use for powering our Vision AI do more with less. We are used to work with smaller data sets, so it's super suitable for companies that are limited data set. And the last part is hallucination proof. We only train our models with the real documents, and in Indonesia itself, we have more than 4 million data banks that are ready to train for our machine learning. Now the question is like, how can we get all the 4 million documents data? Are we gonna get it from scrapping? Nope, actually, we already work with government since 2022. So in 2022, we start our company Momofin by partnering with the government to build their national STEM infrastructure. So we become the government partner for making digital document binding. And since 2020, last year, we make 2.5 million, and now we are on the way to make 4 million revenue working with the government to make digital documents binding in Indonesia. And last quarter, we just pilot our document forensic with the Vision AI that we've built for the last 6 months. Right now, we are working with 3 major enterprises in Indonesia, one banking, the second one insurance, and the third one is government bodies, to see how far it will go. And right now, their feedback is they're pretty happy with us, and basically the clients that you used to work them for binding the document, now they come us to verify the document that they receive. So the market itself is growing fast. With the AI, it changed from the classic document fraud, from rarely happen, now become like a daily occurrence. And it's a 7.5 billion market for document security. And with how AI works, it doesn't make things better. It's actually making worse, and the market size will grow, gonna get bigger as bigger. And the best thing, if we can win the first verification layer battle in Asia only, we are looking about 100 million annual revenue. Compared to others, what we're good at, we just don't read. We actually detect the pattern. We learn about the pattern, and we have a flexible template. We work with any kind of document types, not specific document types. So this is some of the clients that we work with in Indonesia. So most of them are either enterprises or government. They trust us to bind their document, digital document. Now they come us to verify the documents that they receive. There are 3 of us who built Momofin. We've been knowing each other for about 10 years. We have been working together before. So Rorian is a 2-time serial entrepreneur, one exit in fintech and the second one in social commerce. And also he's part of Chamber of Commerce Indonesia. Myself, I was from corporate finance background, also one stop exit in mobility. And Daryl was a principal engineer for Tokopedia and Stockbit, and also expert in cryptography and AI. So me and Daryl, we've been knowing each other for about 10 plus years, and me and Rorian, we used to work together, so we know how to work together and kind of know how to push each other. So right now, we are raising 1.5 million. The goal is to hit 8 million revenue in 2026. And 30% of this revenue will come from document forensic, the new product that we have on the market. 60% of the money will go to product. We want to scale from pilot into enterprises level ready, and the rest will go to commercial. So basically what we're doing now, we used to make, we work with enterprises making document binding. Now we want to make documents to trust in us on verifying their documents. And if you would like to know more about our product or how our tech works, you can visit on the booth or scan this QR directly. Thank you.